Are you tired of feeling demotivated? Stuck in a rut and longing for the days when achieving your goals seemed like a natural progression rather than an uphill battle? You're not alone. In this era of relentless hustle, maintaining motivation can feel like an endless struggle. But what if there was a way to turn the tide, to tap into a personalized source of insights that could rekindle your drive and guide you toward success? In today's video, we're going to show you how you can harness the power of AI to become a master of motivation. We'll dive into actionable strategies, practical tips, and real-life examples of how AI can be your secret weapon in the fight against demotivation. So buckle up, get ready, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Demotivation can feel like an endless cycle. But what if there was a way to break free and tap into personalized insights that actually work? This video shows you how AI can be the key to unlocking your potential. Imagine having a personal coach, mentor, and cheerleader all rolled into one, always ready to help you stay focused and motivated on your goals. Well, with AI, this is no longer a fantasy. You can now have an AI-powered study buddy that not only understands your learning style, but also tailors its approach based on your unique needs. One of the biggest challenges in staying motivated is figuring out what works best for you. Some people thrive on deadlines, while others find them overwhelming. Some respond to positive reinforcement, while others need a gentle nudge in the right direction. With AI, you can leverage data-driven insights to understand your own patterns and preferences. For example, an AI-powered study app can analyze your past performance, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and then create a personalized study plan that aligns with your goals and schedule. It can also provide just-in-time interventions, offering support and guidance when you need it the most. Another great benefit of using AI to fight demotivation is that it can help you build good habits and break bad ones. AI-powered apps can provide timely reminders, suggestions, and feedback to help you stay on track. They can also use gamification techniques such as points, badges, and leaderboards to make studying more engaging and fun. Let me share a story that illustrates the power of AI in helping people achieve their goals. Sarah, a college student who was struggling to stay motivated and focused on her studies, discovered an AI-powered study app that analyzed her learning style and created a personalized study plan that fit her busy schedule. With the app's gentle nudges and timely interventions, Sarah was able to stay on track and achieve better grades than she had ever imagined possible. She was so inspired by her success that she even started sharing the app with her friends, helping them to achieve their own academic goals. It's important to note that AI is not a magic bullet that will solve all your problems. Still need to put in the effort and do the work. However, AI can be a powerful ally that can help you stay motivated, focused, and on track toward your goals. Now let's look at some practical tips for using AI to fight demotivation. First, identify your goals and priorities. It's important to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve and what you value most. This will help you stay focused and motivated when things get tough. Use AI-powered tools to track your progress and celebrate your wins. By measuring your progress, you can see how far you've come and what you've accomplished. This can help you stay motivated and prevent you from getting discouraged. Another tip is to use AI to personalize your learning and development experience. There are AI-powered courses, tutorials, and other learning materials that can help you learn more effectively and achieve your goals faster. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can provide support and guidance when you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed. As we wrap up this video, remember that you have the power to overcome demotivation and achieve your goals. With the right mindset, strategies, and support, you can stay focused, motivated, and on track toward success. Do not forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues, and let them know that AI-powered tools are available to help them fight demotivation and achieve their dreams. Together, we can unlock our full potential and create a brighter future for ourselves and for those around us. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your journey to success.